You missed the opportunity in Web 2, and here we are in Web 3. And if you can come to this platform that I'm about to show you right now, you see that they have made a total payment of 10 million USDT to all their audience on this particular platform. And you can see that there is 2,630 opportunities listed on this platform, right? So if you come to the leadership board, you see the first person here make 100k USDT and he submitted only two bounties, right, and win one, which is win rate is 50%. And if you see the second persons too, they have the same. If you see this third person too, they have the same right here. And but right now, what I want you to understand is that you don't need to be a developer because before you can earn on this platform, if you're a content creator, you know how to create content very well, this platform is for you. But if you are a developer too, you will gain a lot from this platform because they give you three offers right here, which is bounties, project and grant, right? So if you can check the first person right here, we see that the person win a bounties and get a grant. So let's just check out this person right now. This is his profile, and you can see the skills is blockchain, and the person stay in the United States and submit to project with one wins and get 100k ends, right? So if you can come down right here, you see that this person win bounties, only bounties of 100,000 USDT, right? You can see that it's Sonic Mabios Hackathons grant prize. And here is how a lot of people are making money from this platform, right? And we can see on the top right corner of my right hand, you see that there is something like two right there. I'm going to show you how to use it and what you need to do. So the first thing first is that go to the description of this video, click on the link there to get registered on this platform, which is superteam.fun. And if you can come here, right, see my profile is here. You can come here, you see the browse categories. Let's click on the bounties first. So you can see on the bounties say find your next gig. So this is your gateway to start contributing to the world class crypto companies, right? So you need to choose the opportunity that fits your profile and build your proof of work, right? So what you need to do right now is that if you come down, you see the opportunities that they have, and then on the top you see for you all, and you see content design, development and other. That's why I say if you're a developer, this is for you. If you're a content creator, this is for you. You know how to create content very well, right? So here are the bounties that you can join. As you see, the first bounty right here is 5k USDG, right? The second one is 5k USDC, and I'm going to show you how you are going to earn on this platform, right? So if you come down, you see 2,600, 1,000 right now. So let's just check out the first one and see what I'm talking about the bounties, because a lot of people don't understand it very well. So if you come down right here, you see the price of the bounties, right? So this is a build the Solana stable coin standard. So this is for developers, right? This is for developers. So if you are a developers, you cannot join these bounties. So there is a bounties for the content creators to which you can get access to, right? So if you see these bounties, the first person that win this bounty will get 2,005 USDG, the second person 1,500, the third person will get 1,000 USDG, right? So here is the details of the bounties. What you need to do on the bounty is you need to go through everything from A to Z. I need to go through everything from A to Z, right? See, just come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, right? And see everything is there right here. All what you need, all the tools, everything you need is been here right now. All what you need to do is to start the work. You are allowed to use only 3 credits per month, so you can only submit 3 bounties per month, but if you refer some people, they will give you more credits to submit another one. So right now, this is how the bounties work, and let's go to the grant right now. So if you come down right here and come to the grant, you see that need funds to build your ideas. Let's say you have an ideas on your head and the ideas tally with this grant on here. You can come here and apply for the grant and show the proof of work, and they fund it for you to complete the project, so that win-win, everybody wins together, right? So if you come here, you see the touch grant grass and the oral grant grass. So all this grant is for Nigeria, which you are seeing here is for Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria, this is available for you. And if you are not in Nigeria, once you sign up on the super Superteam.fund, it will sign up you into your own country, right? So that you will see the grant that is available for you. So we have the Solana Foundation Nigeria grant, which is currently trending right now. And if you click on it, I will see it is up to 10k USDG, right? So the response is 30 days, and the average grant size is 2,864. Right. And then we can check the approved so far. They have approved $538,000 on this grant alone and 188 recipients. So once you have the idea of what you want to do, what you need to do is to click on the apply now and submit the document, then you get started. And then for this grant, you don't need the credit at all. You can submit 10 grants, 20 grants in a month. So you don't need credit for it at all. And then that's how the grant works on this platform. So if you are new to Web3 and want to learn how to do these things very well, right? So go to the description of this video, click on the Discord and join on the Discord so that you learn a lot about this platform, which is superteams.fund. So you earn as you like on this platform. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and share these videos with your friends.